As I conclude, I don't know my fate, whether it is in your hands, whether it is in the hands of some powerful individuals, but there is a song of the late Philip Bongoleta. It was about AIDS, but I want to use it today because this looks like AIDS. Today is me. Today, no, I'm not going to sing. I'm quoting from the song. Today is me. Tomorrow is somebody else. This country is a globe. Let me be persecuted for what I believe in. Let the enablers do it. But at one time, it will be their business to remember that they persecuted an innocent man, that they persecuted the person who was standing for the rights of others, that they persecuted the person who did not have to go through this.
Okay.
A father. As I conclude, because I am finishing, Your Worship. I've been at this for more than 7 months. I don't think 2 minutes will be too much. Your Worship, I've appeared because they have given you the
this case, in this context, so let's.
and I don't know how many more will appear. But in conclusion, Your Worship, we will pray for Uganda. We will pray for court. We will pray for you. One day, we will be vindicated. I saw something.